Hi, we are Large Line. In this video, I'm making a fire pit while my husband is working at our cabin. The rocks I'm using in this project are picked up by us from nearby places. I made the assessment to see where I'm gonna place the fire pit. I wanted that place to be away from too many trees, and I start digging, clearing up the land and making sure I have no roots under because they can catch fire. This is the next day, and here I'm bringing the rocks for a dry fit to get them ready for the final place. Now I can say that I'm playing in the dirt. Well, I haven't done that in a long time. I'm doing the project in my spare time, and this is another next day. Well, I'm still doing the dry fitting. At this moment, I'm happy with the end result, and I'm going to start placing everything in the right place. Hopefully. I think now I'm pretty happy with my work. I have to bring now the crown of my project, which is the ring my husband got in an auction for $6. All I need now is a grilling rack, and I put together 4 rebars. I tie them with a wire and place on top of it a cooking cooling rack. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your time. Please share. Bye bye.